Vlogmas day 23, guys. Only 2 more days left until Vlogmas is over. Tomorrow's the 23rd. So only 2 more days left after tomorrow. But today is a very fun day and festive day because we are baking cookies. My sister and I went to the grocery store just a few seconds ago. We just got back and it was chaos, but we got all the ingredients that we need to make so many different cookies. And we're also gonna make a vegan chocolate pie. I don't know if we'll make that today or tomorrow, but the chocolate pie used to be my grandma's, my dad's mom's, like her #1 dessert that she would bring to every single birthday, Christmas, like any holiday. We would request her to make that because it was so good. And then when we couldn't eat dairy anymore, we couldn't have it, and then we decided to try and make it dairy free, and it tasted so good. So now we are making it again for Christmas, and I'm so excited, but I'll show you all the ingredients. We got so much at the grocery store. Here it is, all the ingredients we need for all the cookies. And then obviously we still have some eggs and stuff in the fridge, but lots of butter, almond flour, brown sugar, light brown sugar, powdered sugar, a lot of dairy-free chocolate chips, dark and semi-sweet, sliced almonds, a vegan pie crust, cloves, almond extract, applesauce, coconut sugar, oats, flour, white sugar, coconut oil, raisins, peanut butter, cinnamon, cornstarch, vanilla bean paste, and ginger. Is somebody calling me? My sister is already on cookie batch #1. What cookies are you making?
Gingerbread ice ones.
Gingerbread ice ones. Oh, we had these a few years ago, didn't we?
Gingerbread
so good. They're gingerbread oatmeal cookies with like glazed icing over top. So good. So she is in the process of making that.
I need you to
Oh, you need me to stir the almond butter because you don't want to?
No, it's
I'm gonna get this all over myself.
You volunteered.
I did volunteer. This is the worst part of getting new almond butter or peanut butter is stirring the...
Almond butter is worse than peanut butter for some reason.
Stirring the oil at the top and mixing it in. It's like so hard for some reason. Okay, Sarah, I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
Okay. Thank you.
We might just have a really oily scoop. But before I start making my cookies, I am going to edit the vlog from yesterday so I can have it up for you guys today. And then we'll start making cookies. We need to put on a Christmas film or play some Christmas music. Video is all done and edited, and now I'm just waiting for it to upload, so that means I can start on my first batch of cookies. I think, sorry if you hear Eloise on the TV in the background. We watched Eloise at the Plaza, which you saw in yesterday's vlog, but today we're watching the Christmas version. We meant to watch that yesterday, but we couldn't find it, so we just watched the regular one, which I love just as much. And now we have the Christmas version one on. So that's in the background. But I think I'm gonna start with making just chocolate chip cookies because I feel like that's a crowd pleaser and everybody likes a good homemade chocolate chip cookie for the holidays. And I found this recipe from the same baker that I make my blueberry lemon cake that everybody loves. And I've tried a few of her recipes, and every recipe, it turns out so good. So I'm making the Copycat Levain Bakery chocolate chip cookies, but I'm making them dairy free. I'll leave a link to all the cookie recipes that I make down below. I don't know if I'll get to them all today because I have a long list, but I think I'm gonna make these first because I feel like these will be really good and everyone loves a good chocolate chip cookie. So my sister in the background, you can see her cookies are done and now she just has to make the icing. So we have one batch pretty much done. Now I'm gonna work on the second.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. was the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh hear.
Quick cookie update. I am on my third batch of cookies. I haven't made my second batch because I browned the butter, so I have to wait till that to cool. But while I'm waiting, I'm making my third batch. And then my sister is making Christmas crack. Is that what it's called? It smells so good. This is the best smell ever. So she's in the process of making that. And then my sister is making sugar cookies over here. But that is the update. So one batch of cookies done. My chocolate chip cookies I made are in the freezer for like 30 minutes to an hour. I want to make sure she said freezer and not fridge. Oh, it just says refrigerate. Shoot. I gotta take my cookies out and put them in the fridge. Oh my gosh, do you think that harmed them?
It's okay. Do not harm them. They're cookies.
Okay.
They're fine.
Okay, well, glad I looked at that. So my cookies are in the refrigerator, and then I'm making my third batch of cookies at the minute.
The angel voice says, oh night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh night divine, oh night divine, led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. So lit by light our stars sweetly gleaming, here come the wise men from Orient land, the King of...
I think we are officially done baking for the day. We made 5 batches of cookies. We made sugar cookies. The thing is, we can't bake them all because they have to refrigerate for a long period of time. So we made chocolate chip cookies, we made oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, we made sugar cookies, we made gingerbread cookies, we made 2 different versions of gingerbread cookies, and we made Christmas crack. So a lot of baking today, but I still have to bake more tomorrow. I have to bake my Aunt Dawn's favorite peanut butter cookies because she loves peanut butter cookies, and I made her these cookies last year and she said that they were the best peanut butter cookies she's ever had. So I need to make those tomorrow, but I don't think those will take long, and I didn't want to make them today because the cookies I was making today my cousin will have, and my cousin is allergic to peanuts, so I didn't want to cross-contaminate anything. So I'm gonna make them tomorrow by himself so I don't have to worry about the peanut butter spoon getting like, and the measuring cups and things like that. I just don't wanna, we don't need that Christmas Day, her eating a cookie and then all of a sudden getting an allergic reaction. But I think that's the baking for today, and then we will be back at it tomorrow. We decided to bake 3 of the chocolate chip cookies because they were so big and we didn't know how they would turn out. Plus my older sister wanted some dessert, so we're gonna test one of them. I don't know if they're fully, like, you have to let them cool, but
No, I want my own. I'll taste it.
Thank you. You're not done.
I think they are.
And then you just sit. Don't you think?
I think they're delicious.
I think they're really good too, but the middle is kind of doughy now.
Mm-hmm.
They're really good though, but
You can put them in for a little bit longer.
I don't know, so you want to try a little bit? Oh, that's my timer.
Did you get that before?
Yeah, I did. They're really good. I'm just scared that they're undercooked. But I like a crunchy cookie.
They're really good.
You like them?
Uh-huh.
Yum. What is that from?
It's hot milk cake. Then I got it.
So good. Highly recommend trying this out. Sorry if the lighting is a little bit weird. I just came up to my room and I have one table lamp and that is it on my desk, so I feel like it's so dark here and the light is like shining right there, but hopefully it's okay. But I came up to my room because I really need to get these gifts wrapped. I see my dad's side of the family Christmas Eve, so in 2 days, and I really just want to finish wrapping their gifts because I was downstairs with my mom a little bit ago and we were going through everything we had to do tomorrow, and I was just immediately getting overwhelmed, and I was like, you know what, I am gonna try my best to finish wrapping, edit this vlog before I go to bed, so that way I can already knock 2 things off my list to do for tomorrow, and I can hopefully calm myself down a little bit by checking stuff off my list. So, gonna wrap. I am so happy because my mom accidentally took my Say Beauty package and she put it with her gifts. I think I told you guys I ordered Say Beauty and it said it came December 7th, but it wasn't here and my mom accidentally took it. I knew she accidentally did. She thought it was hers, I guess. So, I have that now because I got my aunt the Say Glowy Super Gel. I also restocked for me because I was out of it and I really needed it. I stocked up in the Sun Glow and I got her the Star Glow, the lighter one, and then it came with a free mascara, which I'm actually excited to try. But I just took a shower, got in my pajamas, brushed my teeth, got all ready for bed, so I am settling down for the night and just gonna wrap peacefully, edit in my bed, and hopefully I don't go to bed too late. Today has felt so weird because it has felt so much like a Sunday. No, yesterday felt so much like a Sunday because I stayed in my pajamas all day. The Ravens play, which they usually play on Sunday, and it just gave Sunday vibes yesterday. So today I've been feeling so off because I keep forgetting it's Sunday, but I'm happy it's Sunday because I don't want it to be Monday yet, because Monday is going to be a lot. I have to go to the grocery store tomorrow, so pray for me. I will bring you guys along with me, but it is going to be absolute chaos. Yeah, I'm not ready. But gonna quickly finish wrapping, edit in bed to help decrease my stress a little bit. Also, before I start wrapping, we watched the cutest movie. Netflix, I guess, I don't know if they partnered with Hallmark or something, but they have all the Hallmark Christmas movies on Netflix now, and they're so cheesy, but they're so good. So we watched Bitmore Christmas. I think that's what it's called. What is it called? It has Haley from One Tree Hill in it, and I thought it was so cute. My mom and sister loved it too. It was super cheesy, but I thought it was really good. So if you want another cheesy Christmas movie, definitely check that one out because I thought it was really cute.
Stars sweetly gleaming. Here come the wise men from Orient land. The King of Kings laid us lowly manger in all our tracks. to be our friend. Oh, fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born.
I finished wrapping all the gifts for Christmas Eve. That feels so good to be done with that. All I need to do is put a ribbon on a few of them. I ran out of ribbon, but I did make an order already on Amazon the other day, so it should be arriving tomorrow. So all I have to do is wrap a ribbon on it and I'm done, which feels so good. I feel like I already have something off my, well, I do already have something on my plate, but I already feel a lot less stressed for tomorrow just having that done. And then now I'm gonna go on my laptop and start editing this vlog, so I pretty much have this done for tomorrow. So number one, I can get it up hopefully earlier for you guys, because I know I've been posting them so late and I apologize, but the day just flies by and editing and uploading just takes a little bit, so I apologize so much. I'm so sorry, but hopefully tomorrow I'll get it up at a reasonable time. But I also burnt the roof of my mouth so bad. I guess on my dinner tonight it hurts so bad. I really hope that's better tomorrow, but yeah, I really burnt the roof of my mouth really bad. But I just wanted to come on here and end off the vlog and say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. We only have a few days left and it's been so fun. This is my first year of truly doing Vlogmas and it's been so fun. I've loved it so much, so I hope you guys have too. But I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye guys. Love you.